Hello everyone, I am Wadud Hasan Akash, SolidWorks student leader and SolidWorks champion from Bangladesh. Today we are going to learn about sheet metal, and today's topic is about how to create a solid body into a sheet metal part. So let's get started. In this example, here I imported a IGS file into SolidWorks, and I will walk through the steps how to convert a solid body into a sheet metal part. So here you can see there is an imported part and there is a single solid piece. So for this I am clicking right click on the imported file, and here you will see imported diagnostics. So what is imported diagnostics? Imported diagnostics can often be helpful in cases where the files you are working with has any errors. Like if I click on that, here you see I have a problem in the phase 1. See, there is a problem in the phase 1. So here I am going to select the attempt to heal all. Now there is a green check mark that no faulty faces or gaps remain in the geometry. So I am going to click OK. So for better vision, I am going to use shaded with edges. Now here in the sheet metal, you can see that this model is all one continuous piece, when the reality there should be small gaps between the sheet metal templates or flanks. Now I am going to use the rip feature for ripping apart the edges. Now I am choosing the edge, this one, this one, this one, this one. You can change the direction like this. Sorry. See, you can change the direction in both sides, or you can simply click on the edge and change direction. So for this time I am using the both direction for this part and giving the value 0.025 millimeter. Okay, that's okay, and clicking OK. Now you can see this is not a continuous part. There is a slight gap between them, and see, there is a slight gap between them, and there is an offset between the all edges that I have selected previously in the rip feature. So now I am going to use the insert bend, because I have to convert it into sheet metal that it can be flattened and it can be work as a sheet metal too. So going to insert bend command. In the property manager, SolidWorks promotes me to choose the fixed face or edges. It means the items you selected will remain stationary and become unfold by the rest of the part. Like here, I am going to select this face. So, and I am going to give radius 2.5 millimeter, and there is the option of auto reliefs. Here I am using auto relief cut 0.1 and 0.5 and clicking OK. OK. See, now there is a bend between the edges, and you can see there is a relief cut where the bend is applied. See, there is a relief cut. You can change the relief cut by editing all of the things, but for this I am happy with the result. So you see, if I flatten this will flat. That's how you can convert a solid body into a sheet metal part. So thank you very much for watching our video. If you have any kinds of problem or if you have any question, please let us know in our comment box, and please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.